Hi there, and welcome to Technologymedia channel. In this video about how to sell anything online. Whether you're an established business looking to expand your online presence or an individual looking to make some extra cash, selling online can be a great way to reach a wider audience and boost your sales. So, let's dive into some tips and tricks to help you sell anything online. Don't forget to channel subscribe, like, comment, and share. Tip number 1. Know your target audience. Before you start selling online, it's important to understand who your potential customers are. Research their demographics, interests, and online behavior to help you tailor your marketing efforts and product offerings. Tip number 2. Optimize your product listings. When selling online, your product listings are your storefront. Make sure they are optimized with clear, detailed descriptions and high-quality images. Use keywords and relevant tags to help your products appear in search results. Tip number 3. Utilize social media. Social media is a powerful tool for promoting your products and engaging with customers. Create a social media presence and use it to showcase your products, offer special promotions, and respond to customer inquiries. Tip number 4. Offer excellent customer service. Online customers expect fast and responsive customer service. Make sure you are available to answer questions, handle returns, and resolve any issues that arise in a timely manner. Tip number 5. Use paid advertising. While organic reach is important, paid advertising can help you reach a wider audience and drive sales. Consider using paid advertising platforms such as Google Ads, Facebook Ads, or Instagram Ads to promote your products. Tip number 6. Offer incentives. Everyone loves a good deal. Consider offering incentives such as discounts, free shipping, or loyalty programs to encourage customers to make a purchase. Tip number 7. Continuously evaluate and improve. Selling online is a constantly evolving process. Continuously evaluate your marketing efforts, product offerings, and customer feedback to identify areas for improvement and make changes as needed. By following these tips, you'll be well on your way to successfully selling anything online. Remember, it takes time and effort to build a successful online business, but with the right strategy and mindset, it can be a rewarding and profitable venture. Thanks for watching, and happy selling! Don't forget to channel subscribe, like, comment, and share.